Hello. Hello, this is the My Artifact episode number 2888. Today's date is 8th of October 2023. It's almost like a night at 9:40 p.m. I didn't really make Artifact episode yesterday. I record Artifact episode day before yesterday, but that didn't really record that much. The quality of the quality of the record, the quality of the Artifact episode is really not that much. I'm talking about day before yesterday. So basically, from last 2 days, I haven't really talked about anything at all. Why? Because I'm actually thinking about something else during this time, and that's why I didn't really like. My thought was like, yeah, it's just like that. Na ki like basically, Artifact episode comes from my brain, okay. And if I didn't really, and if my brain is actually thinking about something and I'm talking about something, then Artifact episode didn't really work that well. Alright. So yeah, as also let me tell you about the project. Okay, yeah, it is really important to talk about the project. So almost like 4 days ago, I actually uploaded a video about 4 days. 4 days ago, I uploaded a video, and now I have to upload. I'm actually working on the GTA 5 project. Okay, so GTA 5 project is literally something really different. Okay, like basically before I'm actually playing simulation games, so I'm literally kind of like a familiar with the execution of the simulation game. Okay, and every game has a different kind of execution technique. Okay, you just have to understand this thing. Okay, so in GTA 5, yeah, it's a very different technique. All right. So first of all is that if I wanted to make my video as good as possible as I can, so important thing, it required little bit of time. Yeah, and I am taking time. Yeah, I'm taking time. Okay, as also I am making video as good as I can. All right. That's why I'm from past 4 days I wasn't really uploaded any video. I was actually a bit more focused on this GTA 5. So like, why this GTA 5 is really important? It's really important for me. Okay, if I know the execution technique of the GTA 5, then I can apply same execution technique on RDR2, because RDR2 is also kind of like a bit really something really close to the GTA 5. Okay, as also another games too, okay, like Assassin's Creed and every games, but still execution technique is something really different than game to game. Yeah, I do know that, but kind of like a something really close to the GTA 5. Okay, because like I'm actually executing simulation games. In the simulation game, everything has to be done kind of like a something really proper way वगैरह. But in this game, third person perspective gaming thing, it's a little bit different. Okay, so that's some little bit taking a bit of time. Okay, also I also, one thing is that, yeah, I was actually a bit more focus on my gameplay should be less than 10 minutes. Okay, yeah, and that is really essential thing for me. Okay, because like my execution technique is I want it to be my video feel little bit of faster. Things happen fut 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 fut. Okay, so um so it's just like that, na? Like basically the total length of the gameplay of this GTA 5 that I recorded day before yesterday was almost like a 1 hour 37 minute. Okay, and I extracted entire gameplay in 8 minute 32 second. Have you believed that? Okay, like 1 hour 37 minute, I compress it, very compress. I just remove the gaps, remove everything, and save only the best part about the game. And the total length of the gameplay is 8 minutes 32 second without adding intro. Adding an intro, it will take almost like a 9 minute, something like a 9, 10, 19, something like that. Okay, so basically entire gameplay is like I just compress entire gameplay in just like a like basically almost like a 99%. I compress the gameplay 99%. So yeah, it is like a very difficult, like it's something like very difficult means like it's not that difficult, but yeah, I just have to understand this thing. Okay, like basically is that na, usually my execution technique, I thought that ki, I just have to start editing from the beginning. Okay, but then I realized that ki, I won't be able to do that. If I do that, it took me even more time. Okay, so I just have to first I have to separate the parts. Okay, then I have to cut the part. Has also my execution technique and the power of my computer is also really match. Okay, like sometimes like my computer like Premiere Pro timeline can, it is really difficult to work on Premiere Pro when you are applying almost like a 500 or 1000 cuts. When you apply 500 cuts or more than 600 or more than like a 700 cuts, then Premiere is really difficult to work, very very difficult to work. Yeah, so um, it is really essential to me to my execution technique and the efficiency and the power of the computer is has to be matched. Okay, like कभी कभी ऐसे हो जाता है ना कि like I wanted to edit my video and sometimes na project like lagging so much. Okay, I won't be able to edit, so it's kind of like a very difficult thing for me. It actually happened. Okay, so that's why I just separate the entire project by half hour. So I separate three part in between, like a on each part I remove the gap, and then and actually put the kind of like something really best part of that particular gameplay. So yeah, it is taking too much time. Okay, yeah, so at this moment I extracted almost like a 8 minute 32-second final file. That is good. Okay, intro sequence, I just record my intro sequence. Like I actually record my intro sequence, but I didn't like it. Yeah, like from couple of days, from couple of months ago, not from couple of weeks ago, I've actually been more focused on the quality. If I didn't really like the intro, if I didn't really like the video, I didn't really upload the video. I just work on that. Okay, so that is really good thing. Like I'm actually improvising my content and everything. So that is really good. That is really good. Because like let me tell you one thing, before I know that that is something really messed up that I did. But without fixing that mistake, I just directly upload that video and I just jump to the another video. That is really not so cool. Like my first initial like the important thing that I needed for the audience is that when they'll watch my video, they have to feel good. They have to feel something that this is something really new. Okay, if they feel cringe, if they feel something really that na the quality in the end na, the people will judge the quality. Okay, like you have to make video not for yourself, you have to make video for the people who watch the video. Okay, like if you uploaded thousands of video and you are thinking that why I'm not getting views and subscriber, because of that na, the quality of the video is really really less, really nothing. It's a very below less than average. Okay, it's a kind of like something really poor quality. You have to put effort in it, and effort required times. Yeah, but I'm not putting that much, like a like I didn't, dude, yeah, like putting time means like what is that lazy thing? Okay, like a 3 days of gap had enough now. After 3 days you have to upload a video. This is the fourth day, you haven't really uploaded a video. Why this thing happened? I am like I'm trying. Okay, just like that. Now, yeah, I think that I messed up. Okay, that video should supposed to be done till this day, but it didn't. Okay, what exactly you did it today? So so basically is that today the total length of the gameplay is like a yesterday when I edit, the total length of the gameplay is almost like a uh, 12 minute 43 second. Okay, so 12 minute 43 second, then the Premiere Pro will crash. So actually I collide all those file. Okay, after colliding, then I just have to add the beep sequence. Beep is also really matter. Okay, put the cuts on the beep. Okay, effects, animation, text animation, kill and remaining. So yeah, mm, but still, but dude, yeah, I'm trying my best. Okay, like basically, there is a one thing that I understand by myself, understand the experience that I have. Like right now, I uploaded almost like 300 videos. Okay, so not 300, but still, the experience that I have is that कि when I push myself too much, like right now I didn't really have that much kind of like energy to edit or like I don't know. Okay, but still I just thought that कि नहीं मुझे project खत्म करना है, so I just have to edit. Then the quality of the video will get down, really it get down. Like I just feel that na कि I need a complete 100% of my thought process, my brain and everything on editing video. Then I'm improvising video, then I put the quality in the video. If I just focus on that कि हाँ नहीं चलो मेरे को कल वीडियो अपलोड करना है तो कुछ भी करके एडिट कर दिया, नो नो, दिस इज़ रियली नॉट सो वर्कआउट. ये इस तरह से मैं नहीं करता. लाइक इफ़ आई वांटेड टू डू दैट ना, सो इट विल टेक मी ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 3 4 5 साल लगेंगे. देन आई स्टार्टेड अर्निंग सम सॉर्ट ऑफ मनी. Okay, if I wanted to earn money and if I wanted to look something really different than crowd, so you just have to work something really, if you have to put lot of effort on your content creation. So yeah, so yes, uh like project is good. Yeah, I am, the big issue is that yeah, it takes time. So yes, will it be done by tomorrow? Yes, it will be done by tomorrow because the entire project is done. Okay, I just have to add the intro sequence and edit the intro sequence. That is really essential. So I was bit really focused on the intro sequence, and when the intro sequence done, like basically till the tomorrow, intro sequence will be done. Okay, text and animation and everything will be done by tomorrow. Till the end of the tomorrow, video will be done, video will be uploaded. I'm pretty sure that ki before I record artifact episode tomorrow, the project will be done, and after thumbnail, title, everything will be done. Yeah, it's done. Okay, till the tomorrow, project will be done. So yeah, that is a good thing. Next video is a car for sale simulator. Yeah, because right now car for sale simulator has a lot of traffic. So many people are wanted to watch that game, playing that game. So yeah, so I wanted to play this game again, car for sale. By the way, I didn't really like this game, but I really like, I just bit really like, I just really understand how should I execute that car for sale simulator, and the execution went so well, really well. Like I understand that how much I how much I should have to play this game. For 10 minutes of gameplay, you have to play 30 minutes at least. Okay, when you play 30 minutes, then after the execution, it will convert less than 10 minute intro sequence and everything. So yeah, so I really understand the execution technique of the car for sale simulator, so that is really good. Okay, and also car for sale simulator has traffic right now, so much traffic. So yeah, all right, so this is all those things happened. By the way, I didn't really went to workout actually. Today I went at market with my mother to buy some groceries and things like that, so that's why I didn't really went to workout. Okay, so yeah, so should we jump to the questions? Yeah, I just wanted to jump the questions as also at this moment, like today, like I just had a dinner now. Okay, so in the dinner I ate chicken. Okay, so chicken was really heavy. Okay, and as also I didn't really went to work out, so I just wanted to talk more, and also haven't really recorded artifact episode from yesterday and day before yesterday. So I decided that I just have to record artifact episode for 1 hour at least. Okay, so yeah, all right, so let's talk about the question. Yeah, Okay, the question is very serious. Okay, let me tell you one thing about this question. Okay, this question is actually belong for the couple, belong for the like people who is actually in love. Okay, and these questions are really help to each other to understand even better. So basically these questions are kind of like something really romantic, but as also this question is actually meant for between you understanding, uh, as also in future what is actually like love relationship is a big part. Okay, it's not a joke. Okay, like दुनिया में हर इंसान शादी करता है. Okay, so it is really essential to understand each other, and it's really helpful. Okay, as also I was actually recording artifact episode for almost like 7 and 8 years, and I haven't really talked about such thing before regarding romantic and things like that. So that's why I'm gonna ask this question to myself to understand what is exactly the romantic love, and like what is exactly my perspective regarding about that subject. All right, so yeah, let's just jump to the question. All right, question says that ki, what kind of parent do you want to be? All right, okay. So it's a kind of like something really, this question is belongs to the way much future ahead, not future but yeah. ओके, सो बेसिकली इज़ दैट आप किसी इंसान से प्यार करते हो, वो इंसान आपसे प्यार करता है, आपने सोचा है कि आप पूरी ज़िंदगी उस इंसान के साथ बिताना चाहते हो. सो देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग हैपन. ओके, शादी होती है, बच्चे होते हैं, वगैरह वगैरह. सो बेसिकली इज़ दैट ना कि यूजुअली at this young age, okay, young age means like right now my age is 30. Okay, yeah, but at this age of 25 to 30, like at the age of like a married age. Okay, I'm talking about 28, 29, 30. Okay, ये उम्र शादी की उम्र होती है. At this age you are actually have so much memory regarding when you are a kid and your parents is a parents. Okay, and you are actually thinking that ki my parents should supposed to be do like this, do like that. Okay, लाइक बेसिकली बचपन में ऐसा होता है ना कि मेरे पापा जी मुझे ये खिलौना क्यों लेके नहीं दे रहे, वगैरह वगैरह. सो बट एट दिस एज यू अंडरस्टैंड द ग्रेविटी अबाउट दैट कि लाइक शुड यू बाय दिस खिलौना और नॉट, इज़ इट रियली एसेंशियल थिंग फॉर नॉट. क्योंकि बचपन में जब हम सोचते थे, जब हम शादी करते, बच्चा जब हमसे एक बच्चा पैदा होता है, देन यू अंडरस्टैंड द ग्रेविटी, देन यू अंडरस्टैंड एवरीथिंग दैट कि हाँ मुझे जब मैं बचपन में था तो आई डू सच थिंग लाइक दैट, एंड राइट नाउ आई एम बिकेम अ पेरेंट ऑफ समवन एल्स. और अभी my kids is actually asking me same question, and like right now I am became from kid to parents, and the transition between was kind of like something really different, and you understand both the world. Okay, so being a parent you have both kind of like a like experience regarding like जब मैं बचपन में था तो मैं सोचता था कि मेरे पेरेंट्स कुछ ऐसा करना चाहिए वगैरह वगैरह. बट राइट नाउ आई बिकेम अ parent, so what would I do, what is actually the responsibility that I have regarding about the kid and regarding about the boy, regarding about whoever the person. So what is actually the responsibility? First of all, I'm a father. Okay, and I'm a father of child, and responsibility comes from lot of like a responsibility come, and then responsibility means like in the responsibility is that ki education, not just education, it's just lot of things dude. Okay, like जब आप किसी बच्चे का पिता बनते हो तो बहुत सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आती है, छोटी से छोटी चीज़ यानी नैपकिन बदलना, उसको डायपर बदलना, कपड़े, just lot of things dude, it's just lot of thing. Okay, and I haven't really thought about that. Okay, but I don't know how should I react, like I don't know what exactly things will happen when I have a child or when I have something like that. I don't know. Okay, but it's just like that na ki I will do my best to be a father of that particular child. Okay, I am trying as best, giving the best education as I can possible. Okay, I can't guarantee anything. Okay, like basically let me tell you one thing now, क्योंकि since I understand the like I don't know यार, like कोई भी इंसान ना, like आप ऐसे सोचते हो कि आ, आप जब किसी बच्चे के पिता बनते हो तब शायद वो बच्चा आपके सपने पूरे करेगा वगैरह वगैरह. ओके, यू आर एक्चुअली थिंकिंग अबाउट दैट. यू आर एक्चुअली, और मोस्ट ऑफ पेरेंट्स थिंक लाइक दैट. माई पेरेंट्स इज ऑल्सो थिंक लाइक दैट. माई पेरेंट्स थिंक दैट कि मेरा बच्चा यानी मैं बड़ा होकर ये बनूंगा वो बनूंगा. सो मच पुट लॉट ऑफ एक्सपेक्टेशंस वगैरह वगैरह. So parents put a lot of expectation according about the career, according about the person who wanted to be. Okay, why people have that kind of like a expectation? Actually क्या होता है ना कि यूजुअली एवरी पेरेंट्स, जब कोई बच्चा कोई एवरी पेरेंट्स हु इज एक्चुअली थिंक दैट ना कि राइट नाउ दिस इज द थिंग. ओके, क्योंकि लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग ना, हर एक इंसान लाइफ में आगे बढ़ना चाहता है, लेवल अप होना चाहता है. अभी लेवल अप क्या होता है? लेवल अप यानी क्या होता है ना कि लाइक माई ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, लाइक माई ग्रैंड पा इज एक्चुअली लिविंग in Devri, Kheda village. My father is actually living in small town like Wardha. Okay, so my father is actually expecting that his child, that means me, I should have to live in even more big city. Okay, so it's kind of like a little bit upgrade. Okay, यानी हर जनरेशन के साथ उसके पेरेंट्स सोचते हैं कि उसका बच्चा ये नेक्स्ट जनरेशन को अपग्रेड करेगा. ओके, लाइक अपग्रेड मीन्स लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. ओके, लिविंग इन बिग सिटी, बिग व्हीकल, कार अच्छी चलाती है, लाइफस्टाइल अच्छी है वगैरह वगैरह. सो एवरी पेरेंट्स थिंक्स लाइक दैट. ओके, तो लाइफस्टाइल अच्छी बनाने के लिए पेरेंट्स थिंक दैट कि उसकी एजुकेशन अच्छी होनी चाहिए, उसका करियर अच्छा होना चाहिए. सो दैट्स वाई एवरी पेरेंट्स थिंक्स दैट कि उसका बच्चा उससे ज़्यादा कमाएगा या उससे कुछ ऐसा बनेगा वगैरह, यानी इंजीनियर बनेगा, डॉक्टर बनेगा या वट एवर इट इज़. ओके, जो भी बनेगा बड़ा बनेगा. ओके, दे एक्चुअली थिंक्स लाइक दैट. डू आई थिंक लाइक दैट? वेल एक्चुअली नो, आई डोंट नो यार. ओके, लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग ना, man, I just like being a parent of someone, I didn't really thought about that. Okay, and sometimes I just bit really scared. Yeah, I just like I am kind of like a very used to be kind of like a किसी का husband वगैरह, but किसी का बाप बनना मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं. और when I think about that, I just like so much stress. लाइक आई कैन हैंडल द सिचुएशन. हाँ, मुझे पैसा करना है उसके एजुकेशन पे वगैरह वगैरह, लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स. ओके, बट डूड यार, इट जस्ट लाइक दैट ना, जब लाइक उनके पेरेंट्स एक तरह से फर्स्ट टीचर ओके होते चाइल्ड के. ओके, एंड I don't know, I didn't really think about that. I'm bitterly scared about this thing. Okay, and I think that कि when I am in that particular situation, जब मैं किसी बच्चे का पिता बनूंगा तब I will handle the situation. I don't know, but yeah, I will handle the situation. क्योंकि क्या होता है ना कि आई डोंट वांट टू थिंक दैट कि हाँ ये लाइफ में बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट है. लाइक अचीवमेंट, लाइक सम पीपल थिंक्स दैट कि हाँ चलो having a baby is kind of like a big achievement. No, I didn't really think that कि having a baby is achievement. Yeah, but still I just think like that कि I will become kind of like a good parent, a good father. Okay, I don't know. I am really not so sure. Like I didn't really like the kids that much. Okay, yeah, like no, I didn't really like the kids that much. So I am really not so sure. Okay, like कुछ लोग कहते हैं ना ये मेरे जिगर का टुकड़ा है वगैरह वगैरह. I didn't really like आई डोंट नो, लाइक बेसिकली ना, लाइक कभी कभी वो कहते हैं ना, लाइक जब तुम पिता बनोगे तब तुम्हें समझ आएगा, या जब तुम पेरेंट्स बनोगे तब तुम्हें समझ आएगा कि एक बच्चे की वैल्यू क्या होती है, वगैरह वगैरह. सो माइट बी राइट नाउ आई डिडंट रियली हैव एनी किड्स, सो that's why I didn't really understand the value of that, having a kids, or how should I behave with that kids, or how should I act, or how should I become a parents. I didn't really knew that. So I didn't really have that much experience, so I don't know. Okay, might be like, I just, there is one thing that sure that ki I will become a kind of like a good parent. Okay, that's the only thing that I wanted to say. Okay, I didn't really expecting anything regarding about that ki what he will become in the future or not. I don't know. Okay, and as also is that na ki I really want daughter, two daughter. Okay, it's like I don't know, yaar, I'm actually thinking about that ki having a daughter is good. Son is also good, but I should prefer having a daughter is good. Whatever, it's it's in the future, and right now when I have that responsibility, I will definitely manage that. All right, yeah. All right. Next question. Okay. What are your views on money? What are your top financial goal? Okay, so it's about the regarding money and regarding career, regarding finance, वगैरह वगैरह. So what exactly is this thing? So yeah, like when you are in relationship, जब आप सोचते हो कि इस बंदे के साथ या इस बंदी के साथ मुझे पूरी ज़िंदगी बितानी है, तो प्यार ये ऐसी चीज़, अकेली चीज़ नहीं होती. लाइक देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स मैटर, रिक्वायर्ड फैक्टर. ओके, पैसा इज़ वन ऑफ देम. लाइक हाँ, चलो तुम दोनों के बीच में प्यार है, बट लाइक प्यार एट सम सर्टन पीरियड ऑफ टाइम इट फेड्स अवे. आप कितना भी कोशिश कर लो, वो फेड हो जाता है. ओके, पैसा एक ऐसी चीज़ होती है जो आपको एक दूसरे से बांध के रखती है. लाइक पैसा मीन्स लाइक दैट ना, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट कि हाँ चलो ये बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा कमाता है. नो नो, आई एम नॉट टॉक. लाइक लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग ना, कि जिंदा जीने के लिए यू नीड सम सॉर्ट ऑफ मनी. ओके, आपको थोड़ा बहुत पैसा होना चाहिए. हैविंग दैट मच मनी इज़ रियली एसेंशियल. ओके, तभी प्यार बढ़ता है. लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स डूड. ओके, money is really matter, and for me is money is also really matter. Okay, so what is exactly the priority regarding about the money, regarding about the career, regarding about the relationship? What exactly is this thing? Well, uh, is that na ki money is matter, that is for sure, and for the money required, career is also really matter. Okay, and for the career, I will not have so much amount of time to spend with the family, and that is, I really sure about that, because I don't want to tell this thing in a artifact episode, but yeah, I have a lot of thing regarding about what should I do in my life, because my life is not just like that कि YouTube वीडियो बना रहा है, पैसा कमा रहा है, या कोई स्पेसिफिक जॉब कर रहा है एंड पैसा कमा रहा है, मंथ एंड में पैसा मिल रहा है. नो, इट्स नॉट. ओके, just like my life is like, I don't know, I'm thinking about that way, and I am trying to be, my life would be turned to that way when I'm thinking towards my thought process. And I am pretty sure that the whatever the career I have, definitely I have to put almost like a 100% in my career. Okay, and because of that I might not have that much amount of time to spend with my family. Okay, yeah, that is true. Okay, but also whenever I have a time, I will definitely spend a quality time with my family, regarding towards my wife, towards kids and everything. Okay, as also is that there is a woman, he's actually shouting to his boy, and whatever. Okay, like I'm actually seeing the fighting, and right now I'm literally like scared. Like sometimes na I just think about that ki I will do this thing in future, like this, like that, वगैरह वगैरह. But when I see the reality, I see that कि I have to put lot of effort, dude, lot of effort. क्योंकि like चीज़ें आप सोचते हो कि मैं लाइफ में ये करूँगा वो करूँगा, but when you look the reality, it was completely opposite, dude. Yeah, like right now at this moment there is a woman, he's actually shouting on the boy, and and this is exactly the scenario is actually happened with me, uh, like when my mother is shouting at me vagara vagara regarding about the career, regarding about what are you doing with your life vagara. So when I when I face such kind of like a situation, I am so scared, really really legit scared. And right now all those things happen with a different family, it's completely unrelated with me, but yeah. Okay, but dude, yeah, it just not about thing na, dude. You just have to focus on yourself. You know that ki what you are capable of, you know what is your career, you know what exactly you are born. Okay, like basically ना लाइफ में क्या होता है ना कि सबसे सक्सेसफुल इंसान फॉर माई परस्पेक्टिव ना, द पर्सन हु इज एक्चुअली सो मच सक्सेसफुल, द पर्सन हु नोज दैट कि व्हाट इज एग्जैक्टली ही इज फॉर हियर, व्हाट इज एग्जैक्टली ही वांट्स टू डू इन हिज लाइफ. अगर इंसान को पता चल जाए कि उसकी लाइफ में उसे क्या करना है, फ्रॉम माई परस्पेक्टिव ही इज लाइक वन ऑफ द सक्सेसफुल पर्सन. क्योंकि लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग ना, क्योंकि उसको पता है कि उसकी लाइफ में क्या करना है, सो ही विल डू दो स्टेप्स. हाँ, थोड़ा सा चीज़ें थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट रहेगी, पैसा प्रॉब्लम, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स कम्स विथ, बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर ह्यूमन आप बहुत सारी चीज़ों से कनेक्ट हो सकते हो, लोगों से, चीज़ों से. आपके 2 टाइम को खाना भी चाहिए, ओके, उसके लिए आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें सैक्रिफाइस भी करनी पड़ती है. इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स डूड. ओके, बट यू रियली अंडरस्टैंड दैट कि what you are capable of and what you can do, then you will definitely do it, dude. बस आपको बस नहीं क्या वो थॉट प्रोसेस को एक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना है और आपको कंटिन्यू काम करना है. टेक अ बेबी स्टेप्स, एंड आई एम डूइंग बेबी स्टेप्स. ओके, राइट नाउ like for me the things that I wanted to achieve, YouTube is really essential because like YouTube से मैं थोड़ा बहुत पैसा कमाऊंगा, उस पैसों से ही मैं the things that I wanted to do regarding about the artifact, regarding about the business, वो वो पैसा ही मैं बिजनेस में इन्वेस्ट करूँगा सो दैट द बिजनेस विल गो फर्दर. ओके, सो it's a lot of things. It's a life. It comes with lot of taste, flavors, good, bad, spicy, sugar, sweet, salt, so many things. Okay, चीज़ें कभी ups and downs भी होती है. You just have to just focus, believe on yourself, and just keep doing it. It will definitely done. It will definitely done. Okay, so don't think about that. All right, yeah. So let's jump back to the question. In question says that like regarding about money on views and what is your top financial goal. So yeah, I money is really matter for me. Career is really matter for me. I also mentioned that it's a really priority. But I didn't want to tell those things in artifact episode. I already mentioned this thing in artifact episode, but it's just like that na ki at that time I was so much like a pump up time. I just wanted to say, so I said everything. Okay, but it's just like na sometime I just have to control myself, because like if I say this thing कि मुझे ये करना है, वो करना है, करना है, करना है, करना है, so I always think about the future. I always think about the future, and basically वो फ्यूचर हमेशा फ्यूचर में ही रहेगा, वो कभी प्रेजेंट बनेगा ही नहीं. if I didn't really put action in it. Action is really really मैटर. और अगर एक्शन करने के लिए है ना, आप उस चीज़ को बार बार दोहराना नहीं पड़ता. यानी यानी आप हर बार लाइक आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग आर्टिफैक्ट एपिसोड एवरी डे, सो आई हैव टू टेल एवरीथिंग दैट कि हाँ चलो मुझे लाइफ में ये करना है, ये करना है, ये करना है, मुझे फ्यूचर में ये करना है. तो इट्स इज़ नॉट okay. You know what you have to do, you just do it. Okay, just talk, don't really talk in artifact episode, क्योंकि इन artifact episode में क्या होता है ना, okay, यहाँ पे थॉट्स प्रिंट हो जाते डूड. लाइक बेसिकली ये रिकॉर्डर है ना, ये दिस रिकॉर्ड इज एक्चुअली रिकॉर्डिंग एवरीथिंग व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से. और जो मैं बात कह रहा हूँ वो मेरे सीधे थॉट से आ रही है. ओके, सो I don't know. Sometimes I just think so much big stuff, so big stuff, like literally legit big stuff. Okay, but then I realize myself that ki I don't know. Yeah, I will try. I will try to be. I am going towards this path as also, but it's just like that. Nah, I'm not. I will not talk about this thing. No, it's not. Yeah, but regarding about the money views, regarding about the views on money, yeah, money is really matter. Yeah, but should you would you be kind of like a if I say, so there is a money and there is a relationship, so what exactly you will choose? Okay, so that is a really difficult question. Okay, relationship is really essential, money is really essential. Money means like a career. Okay, yeah, career is really essential. So what would you choose? Okay, so basically it's all part of the understanding. Okay, like आप जिस बंदे से प्यार करते हो, जिस बंदे से आप पूरी ज़िंदगी बिताना चाहते हो, इट इज़ रियली एसेंशियल टू टॉक अबाउट सच स्टफ बिफोर यू गेट इन्वॉल्व. और क्योंकि क्या होता है ना, क्योंकि लाइक आई डोंट नो, बट whoever the person I will be with that, I will definitely talk about that ki what is my priority, what is the career, what exactly I want. Okay, and because of the career, because of all those things, I will might not put lot of effort, or I will not, I will might not spend that much period of time with you, with the family. Okay, so you have to tell this truth before this thing. Okay, as also you have to tell them that I am fully responsible of everything regarding about the thoughts and everything. I truly understand, but this is the thing, it will become my reality. So, and yeah, people will understand dude, it will understand. You just have to tell them the why you are like, from the honest way. Yeah, so yes, so this is my view regarding money and career. All right, yeah. Next question. Have you ever felt dismissed or be belittled by someone in your family? What about work? I didn't really get this question. I just wanted to copy this question. Google Translate, paste, हिंदी. क्या आपको कभी अपने परिवार में किसी ने तिरस्कृत या अपमानित महसूस किया है, काम पर या like in the work? So basically this is actually asking that is any some people says any disrespectful to you in family or in work. Disrespectful, yeah, like yeah, then you can put a lot of synonyms regarding about the disrespectful, like अच्छे से बर्ताव नहीं करना वगैरह वगैरह. Well, in my family, my parents, my father, my mother says regarding about the career, regarding about the things, regarding about the everything that ki, like what are you doing with your life, vagara vagara. And I truly understand why they are safe, because I am the only child, not only child, but I am the child. And basically every parent thinks that ki their child has to be successful, because I am 30, I am not earning any money, I am just making just gaming YouTube videos, and from their point of perspective, I am actually wasting my time. Okay, but I do know that ki what will happen. Okay, if I put consistent and if I put efforts every day regarding about the YouTube, it will definitely grow. I know myself. Because of that ki I understand the YouTube, I understand this new world, but my parents didn't really understand this thing. Like they haven't really understand the internet. Okay, हार्डली ऑलमोस्ट लाइक मे बी 2-3 साल पहले उन्होंने इंटरनेट एक्सेस करना कैसा है वो सीख लिया है. Okay, actually they didn't really know about the YouTube and anything. Okay, so obviously they will not understand about this internet world and what does it can do. They didn't really knew that, but I know that. Okay, so basically because of those people didn't really understand about this new world, they actually say something that कि भाई इंटरनेट में क्या रखा है, you are actually putting your entire career on internet. From their point of perspective is a wasting of time, wasting of money, wasting of everything. Okay, so they will say something, they will say something really disrespectful, or this they will say something really not so good word to me, that कि yeah क्या कर रहा है वगैरह वगैरह. बट आई डू नो दैट कि they are saying because of that कि they wanted to me as good person, they wanted to me as a as a kind of like something really good in the future. Okay, so sometime I just literally like sometime like जब मेरे parents जब when my father says something to me regarding about the career, I am literally scared. मैं थोड़ा सा डर जाता हूँ. Not only scared, as also I will get little bit of demotivate, less confidence I feel. काम नहीं कर पाता हूँ मैं, क्योंकि like his word is really matter, but I also understand the why he says that. Okay, I also understand why he's saying something like this. Okay, so in my family, yes, parents and yeah, regarding about any other who actually think, who actually he never like बहुत लोग डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल बर्ताव करते, कुछ लोग बोलते कुछ लोग नहीं बोलते वगैरह वगैरह. बट द थिंग्स दे आर सेइंग फॉर काइंड ऑफ लाइक फॉर मी एज अ गुड. ओके, हाँ, क्योंकि वो लोग मुझे एक अच्छा इंसान दिखना चाहते हैं, सो दैट्स वाई दे आर सेइंग समथिंग मी so many not so good word. Okay, so this actually happen in family, in work. Okay, so is this actually happening in work? So yeah, not regarding the not regarding about the, like basically is that na he almost like a 3 years ago, okay, before COVID, I was actually working in job, I was actually doing a job as a CAD designer. I was actually doing there for 2.5 years. Okay, and during this, and as also a year ago I also work in the Khaparkheda power plant for entire year. Okay, so I did a two job. Okay, and in every job you are not in pro. ओके, क्योंकि लाइक बेसिकली जब भी आप पहला पहले जॉब लगते हो तो आप कुछ यू डोंट नो रियली नथिंग अबाउट एनी थिंग. ओके, लाइक वहाँ पे काम कैसे होता है, किस तरह से होता है वगैरह वगैरह. ओके, सो बेसिकली फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग यू आर इन लर्निंग कर्व. you understand this is and this is that and that is that and that is that and how things will work. Okay, so during this process you fuck up, you make a mistake, and some people will put that like कुछ लोग इसका फ़ायदा उठाते हैं, वो कुछ लोग इन प्रोफेशनल वर्ल्ड ना, कुछ लोग इसका कुछ लाइक आपकी रेपुटेशन खराब करते हैं. रेपुटेशन, व्हाट इज एक्चुअली रेपुटेशन? ओके, सो दिस इज एक्चुअली रेपुटेशन टर्म इज एक्चुअली वर्क ऑन द प्रोफेशनल. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर और प्राइवेट सेक्टर. वहाँ पे आपकी रेपुटेशन से आपकी ग्रो होती है. reputation is really matter, dude. How is exactly matter? Like let me tell you one thing that ना कि ऑफिस में आप काम कर रहे हो, आपका कलीग काम कर रहा है, आपको 2 साल हो गए, उसको भी 2 साल हो गए, सेम टाइम आपने ज्वाइनिंग की, ओके। बट एक्चुअली क्या होता है ना कि आप ऑफिस में जो बर्ताव करते हैं वो काफ़ी फ्री फ्रैंक, काफ़ी जोक कर रहे हो बीच बीच में वगैरह वगैरह, ओके। आप प्रोफेशनलिज्म इतना नहीं ये करते, लाइक यू आर नॉट एक्चुअली दैट मच प्रोफेशनल, ओके। आप एज अ फ्रेंडली चीज़ों को करते हो, लाइक आप भी काम करते हो, आपका कलीग भी काम करता है, बट आपका कलीग एक तरह से प्रोफेशनली काम करता है, वो ज़्यादा बात नहीं करता, यूजुअली ही जस्ट डू हिज वर्क एंड दैट्स इट, ओके। और वो जितना चाहे उतना ही बात करता है वगैरह वगैरह। बट अदर पर्सन ही इज़ वेरी फ्रैंक, ओके, ही जस्ट लाइक do's and that and that and that. So I'm gonna ask the question, okay, कि किसका प्रमोशन जल्दी होगा, द पर्सन हु इज एक्चुअली वेरी शाय साइलेंट और पर्सन हु इज एक्चुअली डूइंग काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ फ्री, काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ समथिंग रियली गुड। दोनों का काम सेम ही है, ओके। ऐसा नहीं है कि ये काम बहुत अच्छा करता है, ये काम अच्छा नहीं, दोनों का काम बिल्कुल इक्वल है। सो हु विल गेट द प्रमोशन? Most of the people say that shy person or that less talk person will get promotion. No. जो लोग ज़्यादा फ्रेंडली होते हैं उनका प्रमोशन हो जाता है। What? How is it really happen? Okay, let me tell you one thing ना। जब कोई इंसान कभी जॉब में लगता है, so he was bitterly shy as also he don't know really nothing about anyone, he don't know nothing about anything at all, okay। तो सीखता है धीरे धीरे, ओके। अभी सीखने के बाद नहीं, क्या होता है ना कि एक्चुअली द पर्सन इज एक्चुअली नॉट टॉकिंग बिकॉज ऑफ दैट कि ही वॉजेंट रियली कनेक्टेड विद दैट जॉब, ओके। जब कोई बंदा अपने जॉब से कनेक्ट होता है ना, तब वो काफ़ी फ्रीली बात करता है, दोस्तों से कलीग से अच्छे से बात करता है, बीच में प्लान बनाते हैं, चलो पिक्चर देखने जाएंगे वगैरह वगैरह। ही थिंक्स दैट द वर्क प्रोफेशनल लाइफ इज़ माई फैमिली, माई फ्रेंड, दोज आर माई काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ फ्रेंड, वर्क कलीग, उनके साथ में एक दोस्त और दोस्त की तरह ही बर्ताव करना चाहिए, ओके। बट इन द प्रोफेशनलिज्म वहाँ पे भी लाइक बेसिकली ना, आई डोंट नो एट दिस मोमेंट हु विल गेट प्रमोटेड और नॉट, बट रेपुटेशन इज रियली मैटर टू, ओके। क्योंकि कभी कभी क्या होता है ना कि I'm kind of like something talking about serious stuff, okay, you might not understand, but yeah, this actually work। प्रोफेशनलिज्म में शायद आपको चाटना पड़ती है, चाटनी पड़ती है, चाटनी मीन्स लाइक दैट कि लाइक आपके सीनियर है, उनके साथ अच्छे से बात करो, बी अ फ्रेंडली, उनको चाटो, इन योर वर्ड्स, चाटो मीन्स लाइक दैट कि लाइक तलवे चाटना वगैरह वगैरह। बट या उनकी थोड़ी सी बीच में तारीफ कर दो, मेक देम फील समथिंग रियली गुड, ओके। जब कोई लाइक आई डोंट नो यार, लाइक इट एक्चुअली वर्क, ओके। जब कोई इंसान ना बिल्कुल शांत होकर काम करता है तो उसकी ज़्यादा वैल्यू नहीं होती, बट जो इंसान ना बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों की चाटता है, वो बहुत ज़्यादा बातें करता है वगैरह वगैरह, उसकी बहुत वैल्यू हो जाती है, ओके। अनफॉर्चुनेटली इफ दैट पर्सन इज रियली नॉट दैट, बट स्टिल ही विल गेट दैट मच वैल्यू। इट एक्चुअली हैपन विथ मी, क्योंकि ड्यूरिंग दिस जॉब ना आई वॉज बिट लाइक आई डिडंट रियली टॉक दैट मच, मैं काम से काम रखता था एंड या, बट जो मेरे जूनियर थे दे आर एक्चुअली लाइक अ वे मोर फ्रेंडली लोग, लाइक वो सीनियर की चाटने लगते थे वगैरह वगैरह एंड आई डोंट नो यार dude, okay। So maybe this actually happened in work professional, I don't know, okay। Like I did a job for 2.5 years and this is the experience that I got regarding, and then I understand that ना कि हाँ मेरे से लाइफ में जॉब कतई नहीं होगी, ओके। नो, आई एम मेंट फॉर काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली जॉब गिवर, यानी मैं लोगों को जॉब दूंगा, ओके। एज ऑल्सो लाइक I don't know, I don't want it to exaggerate myself, but it just thinks that na कि I always think as a kind of like a something really leader who leads the entire team in kind of like a direction that put something really grow वगैरह वगैरह। So yeah, I'm kind of like a something really a head of a captain, I'm think myself, Okay, no, I'm not actually exaggerated things like that, but yeah. And as also why I say something like that, because I do know so something like that, and I will definitely does something like that. दैट्स वाई मैंने क्या 35 एपिसोड में ये खुद की तारीफ वगैरह करता नहीं, और रिगार्डिंग अबाउट द करियर ना इसके बारे में ज़्यादा बात नहीं करता. सो यस, सो या, सो आई डू अंडरस्टैंड आई विल नॉट एबल टू हैंडल दिस स्टफ वगैरह वगैरह. So and that's why this YouTube is actually really helped me a lot, because YouTube is actually respect the craft, respect about the content, respect about the things that you have. Okay, like यहाँ पे आपको काम से जज किया जाता है, ना कि आपके कैरेक्टर से जज किया जाता है. हाँ, लाइक इन द यूट्यूब इट हैज़, ओके, यूट्यूब में भी कैरेक्टर से भी जज किया जाता है वगैरह वगैरह, बट नॉट डायरेक्टली. ओके, आप खुद को शो करते हो तब लोगों को दिखता है. ओके, so yeah, in you know what I mean. Okay, like basically अगर like कैरेक्टर शो करना है, सो ऑब्वियसली मैं खुद का व्लॉग करूँगा, ये करूँगा, वो करूँगा, और एडिट के समय में देखूँगा ना कि कौन सा पार्ट मेरे को रखना है, कौन सा पार्ट नहीं रखना है, क्योंकि उस पर्सपेक्टिव से लोग मेरे जज करेंगे. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट फ्रॉम द यूट्यूब. ओके, सो आई डू नो अबाउट द व्हाट विल आउटपुट विल आई बिकेम. ओके, बट इन द जॉब वगैरह वगैरह लोग डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव से आप जज करेंगे, या उनकी थॉट प्रोसेस कुछ अलग होगी, वो शायद ये सोचेंगे, वो सोचेंगे. इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. ओके, वी आर एक्चुअली लिविंग इन अराउंड द पीपल, और हाँ, ये सारी चीज़ें तो होती है. सो यस, दैट इज़ इट. ओके, या, इसमें कोई ऐसी बात नहीं है. दिस इज़ द थिंग है, ये चीज़ें पहले से होती आ रही हैं, अभी भी होगी, and it will continue. So yeah, so regarding about the disrespectful, regarding about the things that कि हाँ किसी ने मुझे disrespectful बोला है या किया है वगैरह वगैरह, तो हाँ, okay, in family they say something really disrespectful to me, but for me as a good person, वो चाहते थे कि मैं ज़िंदगी में कुछ अच्छा बनूँ, और and right now they are also saying me something for me that कि I will become something really good person. So yeah, all right. इन द प्रोफेशनलिज्म, हाँ, आई ऑलरेडी मेंशन दैट कि हाँ ये ऐसे डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल होते हैं, बट या ये लाइक दिस इज़ द काइंड ऑफ थिंग ना, हर एक इंसान का अलग अलग टेक्निक्स होती है, तरीका होता है सिचुएशन को डील करने का. ओके, एंड माइट बी आई डिडंट नो अबाउट देम, बिकॉज I realized that कि I won't be fit in that particular situation, so I just escape myself and I just like put myself far away from that situation. So that's why I just don't want to talk about the work thing and everything. So yeah, all right. Next question: do you feel safe in our relationship? What is exactly the safe? सेफ का मतलब ये नहीं है कि अगर आप रिलेशनशिप में नहीं हो तो आप कोई भी आपको हत्या कर देगा वगैरह वगैरह. नो, इट्स नॉट. ओके, सेफ का मीनिंग क्या होता है ना, कि लाइक व्हेन यू आर इन रिलेशनशिप विथ सम पर्सन, यू फील रियली गुड, यू फील दैट कि हाँ कोई तो इंसान है जो ये जो लाइक केयर करता है, प्यार करता है वगैरह वगैरह, या ये सब थॉट से आपको अच्छा लगने लगता है. क्योंकि लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग ना, जब तक आप सिंगल हो तब तक आपकी केयर करने वाला कौन होता है? आपके माताजी, पिताजी वगैरह. बट यूजुअली यू नो फ्रॉम द चाइल्डहुड एंड बेसिकली इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली यूअर पीपल, ये आपके लोग हैं. बट देर इज़ अनदर पीपल, देर इज़ अनदर जेंडर. आपको पता है कि ये एक दूसरा इंसान है जिसको मैं करीब ने क्या महीने भर से जानता हूँ, एंड बेसिकली इज दैट ना कि दैट पर्सन हैव फीलिंग फॉर मी, तो आपको अच्छा लगने लगता है सम हाउ. ओके, इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ फील समथिंग रियली गुड. ओके, इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ फील समथिंग रियली गुड. सो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू ना, ओके, जब आपको ऐसा फील होता है कि वो बंदा आपसे प्यार करता है, मान लीजिए कि वो बंदा आपसे ब्रेकअप कर दे, तो आपको कैसा फील होगा? इट फील रियली टेरिबल, बहुत गंदा फील होता है. आपका हार्ट ब्रोक हो जाता है, आपका किसी पे काम पे मन नहीं लगता, नथिंग रियली एट ऑल. ओके, सो सेफ का मीनिंग क्या होता है ना, कि यू विल नॉट ब्रोक माई हार्ट इन फ्यूचर. ओके, लाइक बेसिकली इज दैट ना, मैं उस लड़की के साथ सेफ नहीं हूँ अगर वो लड़की हर दूसरे तीसरे या हर साल वो बॉयफ्रेंड बदलती है तो ऑब्वियसली आई एम नॉट सेफ, बिकॉज लाइक ऑब्वियसली अगर उसके ऑफिस में कोई अच्छा बंदा मिल जाएगा, शी विल डंप मी। ओके, उससे उसको तो ज़्यादा फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा, लेकिन आई फील रियली अफेक्टेड बिकॉज मैंने उस लड़की से बहुत मन लगा के मन से प्यार किया है। सो सेफ का मीनिंग ये होता है कि शी विल नॉट ब्रोक माई हार्ट, क्योंकि अगर इफ़ शी ब्रोक योर हार्ट देन यू विल डैमेज। ओके, you will damage. Okay, so basically this question belong for the couple. Okay, since I have not have a couple. Okay, I wanted to continue, but I have so much susu I have to do, and it's almost like a 55-minute I've been talking. So yeah, that is good. Okay, that is really great. After this artifact episode, I will work on my intro sequence to add some sort of text animation, things like that. Okay, but it will be done by tomorrow. Yeah, all right, so this is then. Thank you.